Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And to most of you who know me, you know that I am a sugar-aholic. My name is Grandma Bev and I'm a sugar-aholic. And I'm not poking fun at it. I mean, it's a true thing. I am. That's why so many people maybe get hooked on wine, because of the sugar in it. This is just in a different shape. Anyway. With Easter coming up, all the stores are having all kinds of Peeps in them. Well, through the last few years, they've come out with so many different flavors of Peeps, and I've been afraid to try them because I love the original Peeps. I get several boxes a week as soon as they start hitting the stores. So I decided this time I'm going to be a little more open, and I'm trying. I've got 6 different boxes here, and I'm going to try them. See what I think of the flavors. Let me get water candy here. And we'll see. We'll see. Now, I thought I should get the one that I think I will hate the most first. And that is the Peeps Marshmallow Hot Tamales with fierce cinnamon flavor. Okay. Let's just open one little part of the box. They smell like, I don't know if they still have these, but when we were kids, you could buy little boxes of like toothpicks, and they were cinnamon flavored, and we'd buy them, chew on them. Dorky kids. Okay, so here it is. An actual little, whoops, it shows good size, an actual little Peep. Here we go. You see, I can't eat real hot stuff because I've got a really bad esophagus, but let's go. I can feel the burn on my tongue. Cinnamon flavor, definitely cinnamon. But they're not bad. I don't think I'd buy them again, but they're not bad. Now let's put those at the back here. Next one, cotton candy. I had to go to 3 stores to find 6 different packs. Of course, they all had the regular, original ones, which I already ate those that I bought yesterday. Okay, so these are cute. They got little speckles on them. Cotton candy, I could say his good side. He's even got eyes, I think, because those are the only 2 brow marks. But let's try it. If you like the taste of cotton candy, which I do, you'll like this. It's a good taste. Just like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. I drink plenty of water. Of course, very sugary, as you know. I've been trying to get myself to drink at least 3 of these 16-ounce bottles of water a day. Now, you probably think, oh, that's not very many. It is for me. I was only drinking 1, and the rest of the day was always soda. So I've been trying to be very good and work on my hydration by drinking water. Now, let's see this one. Oh, I should show you first. This is the original Donut Shop coffee. There's the little guy. I don't know why he put his eye down here and one up here. See, there's only 2 on there. Okay, let's see. In all fairness, I'm not a coffee drinker. To somebody who likes coffee, they'd probably love them. I don't. So it does nothing for me. Now, if I'm in a pinch and there's nothing else to eat, sweet, I'll eat them. Okay, next we have the Peeps Delights Marshmallow dipped in Decadent milk chocolate. Now, these sound right up my aisle, or alley, right up my alley. Alley? This is cute. This is cute. Cute. See, and he's got an eye where they should be on each side of his head. Here goes. You can see it yellow on the outside, white on the inside, and chocolate. Very good. You only get, what, 4? It looks like, no, only 3 in a pack. I don't want to pay full price for 3. Okay, next we have the Peeps Marshmallow Party Cake. Here he's got his little eyes. Oh, he's got another little spot down here. Maybe that's a mole. A beauty mark. Slight taste of cake. I would have liked to have gone Bob, to do these tests with me, taste tests, but he doesn't like Peeps. So, I really ruled him out. Lucky for him. Yeah, they're good. These are real easy to eat on our way home from town. It's a half-hour drive. Keepers. Tastes like something else too. And last but not least, we have Peeps Marshmallow Chocolate Pudding. Sounds good in theory. And these have 8 in the container. But, they're kind of the little flattened bunnies. Cute little face. You can find that, or taste the slight chocolate pudding taste, but not real strong. I mean, Peeps have been around for years. When I was a little girl, they were around. And I'm talking a long time because I'm 72. I wonder who came up with the idea of, we should make a lot of different flavors of Peeps. And then the first one they came out with maybe was a hit, and they, okay, let's do more and more and more, or make some money. Ooh, hands are saying, it's not sandy, sugary. It's hard for me to do these and talk because I'm from the old school where the parents, the whole family sat at the table every night and you didn't eat. You didn't talk with your mouth full. You didn't talk with food in your mouth. You didn't chew with your mouth open. I mean, everything. Any rule there was We were made to follow. I can't tell you how many times I got sent to my bedroom because I got laughing. And the problem was my brother would sit right across from me, and if either one of us got laughing, it would make the other laugh, and once you get laughing, you can't stop. It was either the pow and get sent to your room, or just the pow, of which you wished you get sent to your room. But we turned out okay. We learned to follow rules. I tell you. The differences in generations, because then, you know, when we had kids, it was like, well, I'm sure not going to do this to my kid or make my kid do this or that. To the point where now it's gotten to, you know, several generations below me that, oh my God. Kids rule. So y'all still be around probably when they reach adulthood. I want to see what kind of workers they'll be and stuff. Okay, I should get on that soapbox. So comment below. Tell me, you know, have you tried any of these flavors? Did you like any of them? Share. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having a good day and that you're not feeling too blah after watching me eat all these, of which I'll be eating a few more when I get off here. I love you all. Bye.